Today we are going to look at a number of varieties of helping hands to aid you with working on circuit boards, especially those of a retro variety. This is the first type of helping hands I ever purchased and is comprised of two spring-loaded crocodile clips and a magnifying glass. These clips can be used to hold small boards in place while you perform your soldering. As the clips are metal, you need to take care not to scratch the circuit board. However, it does hold the board firmly in place and helps avoid burning your fingers when you're dealing with molten metal. Such a simple device as this is quite invaluable. So much so that I actually have two of these. They are inexpensive and especially good when it comes to soldering cables to switches and tinning wires. As you can see, the clips and the support beam are adjustable and allow a great deal of flexibility. I'll put links in the description below where all of the items featured in today's video can be obtained. Next, we are going to look at a support frame that has been my go-to support tool for many RC 2014 Retro Z80 system builds. This sturdy frame is horizontally adjustable to accommodate a variety of circuit board sizes. Additionally, it allows the board to be easily rotated, simplifying both fitting components and soldering. Circuit boards can be easily removed as the side grippers are spring-loaded, and the board can be fitted back into the frame just as easily. The base of the frame is wide enough to prevent the frame tipping over, and doesn't take up too much space on your workbench. This has been an ideal companion on my many Retro Z80 adventures, and I've completed many circuit boards using this frame. On the base are large rubber feet, so it won't slide around on your workbench. Next, we're going to look at a new addition that only arrived yesterday. This is comprised of a metal box and 10 flexible crocodile clip-tipped rods with magnetic bases. The crocodile clips have rubber sleeves to ensure you don't scratch your circuit boards. This allows you to use just one or two to hold your work in place, or up to 10. There are variations of this model that have a magnifying glass or even lamps. And the larger model even comes with 20 flexible magnetic rods. The magnets are powerful enough to hold your work in place, but not so powerful that you would have difficulty detaching them. And when you are finished, all the metal rods will fit quite neatly into the metal box, keeping everything tidy and preventing you losing some of the rods. As well as circuit board assembly, these would be ideal for miniature figure painting. Next, we are going to look at the bench table from Streacom. I've covered the older version of the ITX frame before in a review video. Link in the description below. As you can see, this frame is designed to mount an ITX-size motherboard using the 4 standard position posts. There is room underneath for a slim power supply, and the motherboard is easily affixed to the frame. This workbench allows easy and safe access to all aspects of the motherboard, allowing components like memory and M.2 SSDs to be fitted easily. The beauty of testing your new computer in one of these frames, rather than testing it in the case, is that in the frame it's easier to access all parts of the motherboard, especially if you have a small ITX case. Additional screw fittings are supplied to allow for fixing additional components, like system fans, to the frame. There are also twin vertical posts to allow graphics cards to be safely supported. The bench frame holds the motherboard very securely. As I said, this is an older version of this bench table, which does come in a small range of colours and is even available in a larger ATX format. So, in conclusion, there are a large number of different types of frames and helping hands to make your life easier when testing or populating circuit boards with components. Prices, of course, vary, and with all things, it's good to shop around to find a suitable product that meets all your requirements. I can only document what I've found and currently use. But that's it for today. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching today's video. Please feel free to click on the link in the description below to discover more videos.